How to block websites from opening external apps in Safari on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you some settings you can use to reduce unwanted app redirects in Safari. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on Safari. Look through the available Safari settings for options related to pop-ups, redirects, or website permissions. You can also turn on block pop-ups to prevent many unwanted pop-up windows from appearing while browsing. If a website keeps trying to open an external app, avoid tapping links or buttons that launch the app. You can also remove the website's stored data by going to Settings, tap on Safari, scroll down and tap on Advanced. Tap Website Data, then tap on Remove All Website Data. Tap on Remove Now. Keep in mind that iPhone does not provide one universal setting that completely blocks every website from opening another app. Some links use Apple's supported App Link system, which can open the corresponding app when you tap them. If you want to prevent a particular app from being used, you can also delete the app or use screen time restrictions where applicable. And that's it. These settings can help reduce unwanted external app openings while browsing the internet on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone and Safari tutorials.